Hey, Jody here with a quick review of Alpha Griller's Instant Read Thermometer. You can use this for beef, poultry, seafood, and pork. I use it for seafood, in particular fish, because I was always overcooking my fish and I needed help. So how to turn it on. So what you do is just open the probe and that turns it on so you see the reading. It's already set for Fahrenheit, but if you want, you can change it to Celsius. And to turn it off, you simply close the probe and it will turn off. So it comes with a battery inside, and I just wanted to show you. There's an additional battery, which is great, and this is a CR2032 battery. So I just wanted to show you one more time. So once you stick it into the fish or the beef, if you press on the hold button, it will save the minimum and maximum read. And there's also a light button if you want to light up the display. If you are in the market for an instant read thermometer, and like me, you don't want to overcook your fish, your meats, your poultry, your pork, I recommend this instant read thermometer from Alpha Grillers.